In this video, you'll learn what isn't an object. So it's often said that everything in Python is an object. This is a helpful phrase, but it's not literally true. So again, anything that can be assigned to a variable is an object. So we have, let's say we have A and we assign it the value of, 88. That confirms that 88 is an object, and we know that it is type int. Now, let's just say we do some sort of multiplication here. So if you look at this line of code, not everything in here is an object. So this star, this asterisk character, this is an operator. It is not an object. You cannot assign an operator to a value or to a variable name. The assignment statement is not an object either. If we had parentheses in here, so let's just say we wanted to do some subtraction first, the parentheses are not objects, but every value you see here is certainly an object, and then the variable name A will reference whatever value this is over here as well. So not everything is an object in Python, but essentially everything that is a value and can be assigned to a variable name is an object in Python.